A very happy Ganesh Chaturthi to each and everyone. So, since the topic of Ganesh Chaturthi festivals have come, let's discuss one of the most important things that hinders our fitness journey. So, when there are festivals, we do need to eat all kinds of food, and we can't go to gym. It hinders our regular fitness routine. But it's not wrong. I mean, we do need to enjoy our festivals. That is our culture, and there's so much good kind of food. We need to enjoy food without tasting so different kind of food. There's no life. Food is obviously life. So how to manage this good food, not going to gym, and getting back to your normal routine? How to manage this? How to manage this both lives, and how to still be motivated and stay consistent? I'll just share my 5 tips with you, which will definitely help you to get back to your fitness life and stay motivated. Let's get started. So my first tip is get your diet straight. So festival is over, you have enough Neurios, you have enough laddus. Let our diet become finally to our routine state. Include your protein, that is 2 gram per kg of body weight, include your veggies, everything. Get your diet on routine level. Don't go for sweets anymore, you've had enough. So once you've done your diet, and once you stick to it, because diet is the most important part. It's said that 70% of is about our diet and 30% is about exercise. So once you have stuck to a very good diet, once you have gotten back to your original diet, then it's time for our second tip. My second tip is start going to gym or start working out as soon as possible. Don't keep it for tomorrow or day after tomorrow just because you're tired and there's no motivation. Just go out, just head out, just go to gym even if you don't feel like, even if you don't like like the way your body looks now after the festival, just because you have eaten lots, you're just looking at your stomach. Let it be. Everyone does that. It happens to almost everyone. If you have enjoyed festivals, nothing wrong with that, but it will be a wrong thing if you just stay at home just thinking, okay, I cannot do this, and I'm already so much out of shape that I cannot get back to my original form, which was like before festival. So that is wrong. Just get back to gym, just go, just head out or do some push-ups, get that motivation back. So you don't have to think about others, or you don't have to think what others will think, that you look like that or you just gain weight. Nothing like that. It's you versus you. You always have to go in the gym, look at yourself, just head out and just wait for just do exercises for like 10 to 15 days. Those 10 to 15 days, I always say 10 to 15 days are very difficult, but those are the most important days. Once you're stuck to those 10-15 days and your diet is proper, you are definitely going to see your body changed, your body morphed into a very good physique. So till then you have to have that patience. Everyone has to have that patience. Nobody has gotten that physique, that level of physique, just by getting discouraged or not being consistent. So you have to go to gym as soon as possible. Don't postpone it for tomorrow or day after tomorrow, that you're not feeling like, or you are still enjoy more days of your holidays or with your friends. No, you have to be focused. You have to go. You just head out. Once you're in the gym, all the energy comes to you and the vibe of working out changes. So just go, don't think too much about it, just stay disciplined. You just have to go there. Once you are in the gym, then things change. And once you start working out, once those 5 days or those 1 week 2 week has gone after working out, you will thank yourself that you actually went that soon and you did not wait for long. My third tip is going to be very important. It's going to help you get your motivation back very sooner. So this my third tip is you have to plan your workouts. So when you go after a long time to gym, you cannot just work out as your normal how you split your workout, like push day, pull day. You cannot do that. So what you have to do is, whenever you go after a long break, you have to start with a full body workout. As in, your body is at rest and it have not received that much stimulus in a period of time. So once you go for a full body workout, all the muscles in your body will get that stimulus and they will be warmed up enough for the heavy workout to come in a subsequent days. So other aspect of it is like, when you go and do full body workout, all of your body will be pumped up, and when you look in the mirror, you will see your better version and you will be encouraged to get more and more exercises and
come to gym again and again.
So my fourth tip is don't compare yourself to others. So one of the biggest mistake people do is comparing their physique with others. So this is what I always say, कि whenever you're working out, look in the mirror. You have to see yourself working out. You are your own motivations. Don't look at others. That's going to discourage you. Don't compare yourself to others. They have a different body, they have different metabolism, they have a different style of workout, and your body is different. It requires a different workout, different metabolism. So there's no point. Just look at the mirror. It's you versus you. Stay concentrated on yourself. Look at your muscles, get that mind muscle connection back, and once you're done that, you're definitely going to see results faster and you are going to get motivated. The fifth and final point is stay consistent. Now that you have started, now that you have gotten past your non-motivated phase, it's time to stay consistent. See, your body is very smart. It's going to adapt the maximum number of days, the lifestyle which you follow, maximum number of days. That's how it's going to adapt. If your lifestyle for maximum days is healthy and a good diet, so even if you have some cheat days in between, even if you take break, even if you eat some non-healthy stuff and do not exercise, it's not going to affect your how you look, or it's not going to affect your physique. But the problem happens when maximum number of days your lifestyle bad or your food is bad. So this is one of the most important tip that I follow. I take enough breaks. I enjoy all kinds of food, but still I stay in great shape, and it's because maximum number of my days are followed in a healthy lifestyle. I exercise almost regularly. I eat good diet. So that's one of the most important point. See that maximum number of days of your life you have a healthy lifestyle and good food. That's how your body is going to adapt. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked today's video. Today's video was very I actually enjoyed making it, because I think if you do follow these tips practically, they have helped me, and I hope they will help you too. So if you like this video, do subscribe and share this to your friends if they also don't feel motivated. And thank you so much. Until next time.